welcome to Adrice's Kitchen 69. I got a recipe for you today on how to put together your sport mirror bicycle trainer so you can ride your bicycle in the house. I got it in the mail today. Yes. And that's the instructions, but it's easy peasy, y'all. Look, all you have to do is pull out your release latch off of your own bicycle. I have a track and it has 700 times 35 wheels, so it fits. You can even get a large mountain bike wheels in here, but be sure to read the specifications for your bike and make sure it's compatible to your bike's wheel and the release latch. Okay? So here you go. Put this one somewhere safe. I already pulled it out the bicycle. Now I'm about to stick this one in. Oh, you gotta screw it off a little bit. Ain't nothing like a screw, right? They got 2 springs on here. So, you want to stick one end in. Ain't nothing like sticking things in holes, right? That screws, right? And put the other spring on the other end. All right. All right. Now let's screw it in tight. Easy peasy. Come on, babies. All right. Ain't nothing like a little screw, right? This is Adrice's Kitchen 69 with her recipes. All right. Now you want to line it up. With this end and with this end. And you push this down. Can you see? Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, you line them up real good and push it down. Hold on. Look at that. Look. And then I'm going to screw, do I have to screw this in any? Maybe not, but I am. I'm going to screw that in a little tighter over here so you can see it. Okay, I screwed that in. Wow, easy peasy. So put this somewhere safe because this goes back in when you get ready to take it out on the road for real. And look at this adjustment here. You tighten it up for resistance. And then you have a cord. Right here, this is your resistance cord. I don't need my kickstand anymore. You see? Here is the resistance cord. And you put it up here on your handlebars. And it even have its own shoe for the front tire. All right, there we go. So I'm gonna give you a little demonstration. Hold on. And remember to subscribe and like my channel, Adrice's Kitchen, recipe on a bicycle trainer. Hey,